Okay, thank you. Please, students, we have to start. But as you know, the list. Okay, so please pay attention. Araníbar Claudia. Claudia Araníbar. Andrea Araníbar.
Present, Miss.
Atawichi Claudia.
Miss
Present,
Aranio
Miss.
Alejandra, present.
Okay, Claudia and Andrea, right? ¿Sí?
Yes,
¿O solo
Miss.
Andrea? Okay, okay.
Alejandra.
Alejandra and Andrea, ¿verdad?
Sí, Miss.
Yeah. Thank you, girls.
Los dos.
Beso, Daniel.
Miss, ¿escuchó? Claudia Tawichi, perdón.
Claudia, yes. It's okay,
Ah, ya,
Claudia.
gracias.
I have at the beginning 3 Claudias. Claudia Alejandra, Claudia Andrea, and Claudia Tawichi, right? Okay. Please, beso, Daniel now. Bellat Kevin.
Present, Miss. Present, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Cáceres Dayana. Cáceres Dayana.
Present, Miss. Present, Miss.
Choque Callata Cristian. Chris. Hello. Guzmán Galia.
Present, Miss.
Ignacio Célida.
Present, Miss.
Ledesma Alejandra.
Present, Miss.
Loaiza Leonardo. Magme Pamela.
Present, Miss.
Okay. Mejía Wendy.
Present, Miss.
Mena Shirley. Shirley Mena. Ocho Aguara.
Present, Miss.
Okay. Pa Candy. Pa Candy. Pinaya Maite.
Present, Miss.
Pita Ariana.
Present, Miss.
Quispe Jocelyn.
Present, Miss.
Ramos Sheila.
Present, Miss.
Torres Diana.
Present, Miss.
Ventura Natalie.
Present, Miss.
Verastegui Iván.
Present, Miss.
Verastegui Lilian.
Present, Miss.
Ramírez Verónica.
Present, Miss.
Siles Fabiana.
Present, Miss.
Okay, students. Let's start with the activity, please. Remember, I
Miss.
told you. Yes,
Miss, esta tarde me podría considerar en la lista, por favor.
Christian, right?
Sí.
Okay. Somebody else, maybe? ¿Alguien más? No? Okay, thank you, students. Now, please, let's start with the activity. As I told you yesterday, you had to study for today the grammar, talking about undefined pronoun, right? Now, let me share, please. Let me see here. Vamos a revisar. Bueno, vamos a hacer un paseo virtual también, que se los voy a mostrar después. Mientras va cargando. ¿Sí? Primero empezamos con la actividad, bueno, practicando un poquito más, ¿no? De lo que veíamos ayer en cuanto a reglas gramaticales de los pronombres indefinidos, ¿cierto? Let's start with this activity. Let me share the password. If you have the app now, or maybe the link, please wait 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, here you have the password, students. If you have the app on your mobile phones or maybe your computer, you can write. Or if not, please wait because in 1 minute more, I'm going to send you, well, I'm sending now the link. Okay, please do it, students. It's not difficult. It's only that well, grammar rules that you have to remember. Okay. If anyone maybe is having troubles with this application, please tell me, okay? Si tienen algún inconveniente con la aplicación, me avisan, ¿sí? Todos deben participar, por favor. Everybody. Okay, here you have the link. And also, if you want, here we have the password. It's okay, everybody's doing? Are you doing?
No entra, Miss.
¿No entra? ¿Ni con el link? ¿No?
No, Miss, ni con el link ni con la aplicación.
Claudia, Claudia Tewichi, no puedes ingresar. Los demás chicos me avisan.
Miss, yo tampoco puedo ingresar.
A ver. Voy a revisar. Los demás chicos, ¿está bien? ¿Normal? Please tell me.
Miss, yo tampoco puedo entrar.
De mí está cargando, Miss.
¿Alguien ha podido ingresar? Porque miren, está habilitado, no lo he cerrado ni nada. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo les está yendo? ¿Alguien ha podido ingresar? ¿No?
Está
Sí, Miss, yo ya ingresé.
Ok, entonces es cuestión también, chicos, un poquito de esperar. Sí, es un poquito lento. De repente porque tienen que escoger un personaje y así. Creo que eso hace un poquito tardar. Pero todos, por favor. ¿Sí? Todos.
Ok, Miss.
Okay, you have 3 minutes for that exercise. Only 3 minutes. Two minutes more, please.
Miss, por favor, puede volver a enviar el link. Es que he cambiado de dispositivo y ya no me aparece.
Okay, let me share again. Okay, here you are. Aquí tienes.
Thank
Do
you,
it,
Miss.
please. You're welcome. One minute more, please, students. I want to see who's the winner. Finish, students. Have you done?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Okay, students, please, if you finish, please now let's continue with the lesson. Okay, I have the winner now. It's everything that we learned yesterday, right? That's it.
Miss, del mío no quiere cargar.
¿De quién? ¿De Claudia Araníbar? ¿De ti, Claudia? Esperen, chicos, un ratito, ¿sí? De repente sí se ha vuelto un poco más lento. Pasa esto con la aplicación. A mí también, por ejemplo, al compartirles carga, entonces de repente se hace. Sí, espera nomás y luego lo realizas. No lo voy a cerrar. ¿Sí?
Está bien, Miss.
¿Sí? What happened?
¿Me puede mostrar de nuevo el código? Porque es que lo desinstalé la aplicación y lo volví a instalar para que funcione.
Why? Okay. Okay, here you have the link if you want. This is the code, I think. Look at that, right? Beyond. Or maybe, let me share again. Yeah. I'm going to, well, I'm showing you now the code again with the password. This is, right? Okay. At the end of the class, I'm going to review everything, all your answers. Okay, class. We have another activity too, but in some minutes more we are going to do, okay? But now let's continue. Mientras esperan, chicas, okay? No se preocupen, lo van a revisar en cuanto cargue. Now, what about the rest? ¿Los demás hicieron? Yes, no? Chicos, it's okay? Yeah, thank you. Now, please, we have to continue. As you know, we are on page 82. We are still in unit number 10. We have to continue with this exercise. Exercise number 3. Imagine you are talking to one of the astronauts. Look at here, right? That's why we have these pictures. Okay. The idea here is that you have to imagine, please, right? Imagine that you are the journalist and you are talking, asking questions to one astronaut, okay? And here we have options. What questions would you like to ask him or her, right? Now, yesterday we did, right? Somebody was answering all of these possible questions. Now, what do we have to do? Please, let me write all the questions because in some minutes more, you are going to read again in class these paragraphs that we have here, and then you are going to answer all of them, okay? Please now, that's why I want to listen to the possible questions again. Remember, yesterday I told you that you have to write all of the possible questions on Classroom. I want to see your possible answers there, okay? For example, the first one, work every day. What would you like to ask? Please, I want to listen again. What's the possible question here?
Do you work every day?
Very good. Do you work every day? Right, very good. The next question, please. Come on, come on. Come on,
How
class,
many
come on.
hours do you sleep?
Okay, how many hours do you sleep? Very good. Let me write, okay? One by one. The first possible is, do you work every day? Okay, very good. Okay, yes. How many hours do you sleep? Okay, another. Okay, the next, please, students, come on. Possible questions, possible questions.
What time do you wake up?
Okay, very good. The next. Come on, come on. Possible questions.
What
What would you like to ask? What do you eat? Very good. Continue, please.
What do you do in your free time?
Very good. Continue.
Do you exercise?
Do you do exercise? Okay. Okay. Continue, please, one more.
How do you wash your clothes?
Okay, very good. Interesting question, right? How do you wash your clothes? Okay. Okay, thank you, students. Very good questions. Because in some minutes more, you are going to use all of these questions as a journalist. Okay, now let's continue with the next exercise, number 4. Read the rest of the article on page 83. Did you find the answers to your questions? Okay, here we have the questions, right? Here, right? Now let's read this together because after that, one of you is going to be the journalist and the other student is going to be the astronaut. So you have to tell me the answers, okay? So let's start reading these paragraphs. The first paragraph, please. Could you read, Celida? Celida, please. First paragraph. Could you read, please? No? Please, Christian, could you read the first paragraph? Yesterday we did, right? Yesterday we read all of these paragraphs at the beginning, but now we have to continue with the rest. That's why, please, we have to read again. I told you if you maybe read at your home, it's okay, but now we have to read together here. Please, what happened, class? Christian, Celida, no? Pamelita, please, could you read?
An astronaut day. Astronauts work for 10 hours a day during the week and 5 hours on Saturday. The rest of the time they are free. They wake up at 6 and have breakfast. There is a meeting and they decided the day's plans. They have an hour for lunch, then more fork till dinner at 7 o'clock. Light out is at 9:30 o'clock on 30. They 2 hours exercise every day because weightlessness affect the body's muscles and bones.
Okay, thank you. Please, what about the next paragraph? Let's read, please, about the food here. I need another student. Could you read, please, now? Fabiana? Fabiana, please. No? Please, Veronica, could you read?
Miss. Okay. Food. There isn't a real kitchen, but there is a kitchen table. All for food comes in tins or packet. There is fresh fruits only when a supply ship comes. Astronauts eat with a spoon. It's a good idea to have food with sauce so that it's stays on the spoon and doesn't float away. They like spice food because in spice the essence of taste isn't very strong.
Okay, thank you. Interesting, right? Please, the next paragraph. What about personal lives? Please, could you read now, Lilian? Please. Ivan, maybe? Could you read? We have to learn more about their lives, right? It's a little bit different. Please, could you read, Ivan? No? Please, Galia, could you read? Personal lives.
Okay, miss. Personal lives. They have their own sleeping comfort. They sleep in bags attached to the what? Because there is no up or dog in space. They sleep staying up. They have their own clutter and books and laptops. The temperature is always 70 grados mil, ¿cómo se dice en inglés?
Degrees. Degrees, right? Well, en este caso, quizá cuando decimos el clima, por ejemplo, nosotros aquí en Bolivia, en grados centígrados, ¿cierto? Y allá en grados Fahrenheit. Pues es lo mismo, nomás degrees. Continue, please.
Okay. Sus astronautas usually wear shop and ship. There is not.
What
Yeah,
happened?
I think there is a shower, but there is to toilet in their free time. They send Jimenez home, read and play games, but what they live to do, Betty look out, out of the windows at below.
Okay, thank you, Galia. Now, please, the last paragraph. Could you read and meet another student? Christian, can you listen to me? No? Kevin, please, can you read the last paragraph?
Okay, Miss.
The future of the International Space Station. Come on.
Future of the International
State.
State.
Station, right? ¿Cuál era la abreviación? ¿Se acuerdan? Right? Here we have ISS, International Space Station. Ahorita lo vamos a recorrer virtualmente, ¿sí? Para que lo conozcan un poco más. Please, Kevin, come on.
Okay, Miss. The International Space Station differs of many space stations. There isn't a date yet for immediate trip to Mars, but space agencies are already talking about it. On the is at some time in the 21 ST century, it will certainly happen.
Okay, I'm going to send you the next link. Please pay attention. And we are going to play